Hey, do me a favor, just come down here. That kid earlier that was all wise when he was coming in, he's might have an issue with him. Alright.
Well, it's not going through, so you gotta ring it. You work here, right?
Yeah. I just said that.
Okay,
it's not
you work here,
Me and
right?
her already discussed it. I don't need you to get smart about it. She's just trying to help me. That's what I just said.
So listen, you work here,
I
right?
don't work in this store. I work in North Haven.
Okay, the same thing. Okay.
Same difference. What's your point? I just said it's not working. She's trying to help me. What's your point?
But if you know that you didn't
I
pay,
didn't
how
know
can
it
you
didn't go
walk
through. I'm
through?
trying to check on my phone. That's what I just
What
said.
is your name?
That's what I just said to you. You don't understand what I'm saying to you?
You said, oh,
You don't understand what I said to you?
So listen, you gotta walk this way. You gotta walk this way, okay? I need you to walk this way.
I'm trying to purchase my stuff.
Okay, you passed the point of sale station.
I didn't put anything. I thought it went through. It did not. So I'm trying to bring it back up on my phone. She just trying to help me. That's what
Okay,
I said to her.
we're gonna walk this way. We're gonna step out of line.
I'm still buying my stuff.
Okay, you're not buying your stuff anymore.
I'm buying my stuff. You want to stop me from buying my stuff?
Okay, now I am gonna stop
You
you.
want to stop me from buying my stuff that I'm trying to pay for?
I'm going to. Okay?
Why?
Because I have the
Why?
I have the legal right to.
Why?
Okay, I have.
Why are you want to stop me from my? First of all, you're within 6 feet of my space. I'm trying to figure out why. I'm trying to figure out why you stopping me from
and I
buying
get a
my stuff.
unit to Walmart.
I don't care what you call it a unit. I'm trying to buy my stuff. My app didn't work. I'm trying to correct that.
Okay.
Now you're telling me I can't correct it.
So
You tell me I can't correct it. I'm trying to figure out why. She just tried to help me. It didn't work. I'm trying to do it again. I just told her the same thing.
okay, so they have
So
the
I'm
right.
gonna still buy my stuff. And if you don't like it, then oh well.
Okay.
I'm gonna buy my stuff. I'm gonna buy the stuff I make purchase. What are you talking about?
Okay. You said that you work in West Haven. I'll work in
I don't care about any of that. I'm trying to pull up my Walmart Pay. It wasn't working because of the Wi-Fi. I took my Wi-Fi off. That's what I try to explain to you. You're trying to be extra. I don't got time for that. So I'm gonna ignore you. I'm gonna buy my shit. If you don't like it, then oh well.
Portable 156. Can I get a unit to Walmart, please?
I'm gonna buy my stuff. What are you talking about? Excuse you. Have a sit down.
Okay.
So if I can help you, you can
So
leave.
listen.
Thank you.
If you want to, that's going to be the way it's going to go.
I don't care how it goes. I'm trying to buy my shit. You
Okay.
think I'm supposed to be scared because you're a cop?
Nope, you're not supposed to be scared of me because
I gotta listen to you. You're a cop. What are you gonna do? Kill me?
Actually,
You
no,
gonna
I'm
put your
not.
hands on me in Walmart? I think I care. First of all, you're within 6 feet of my space. Coronavirus, get the fuck out my face.
No.
How about that?
No.
Get the fuck out my
No.
face. I don't
Okay.
need your pepper
Listen.
spray.
Listen, I'm about to because
You gonna pepper spray me because you're in my space.
no.
You're in my face.
No, no.
You're in my space.
No.
Back the fuck up and give me my
Portable
space. Like, what are you
156. Can I
talking
get a
about?
unit to Walmart, please? No, we're not going to do that now.
Now you're gonna back and get on my face. What are you talking
Okay.
about? Touch me. Touch me right now. Don't touch me. I'm trying to buy my stuff. You want me to buy my
Okay.
stuff and my
Okay.
app's not working?
So listen.
What are you talking about? Get off my face.
No.
I'm telling you now. Telling you now. Get off my face.
So
I don't care. I just asked her to help me though. You just started acting crazy.
No,
Ask
she
her to
didn't
help
start-
me. I don't
She
care
didn't
about a
start-
mask.
she
What are you
didn't start
talking about? Now
acting
you want a
crazy.
mask?
okay.
Now you're asking me about a mask. I just told you my Wi-Fi wasn't working. She tried to help me.
Okay.
I made a mistake. I went right back. And now you're talking about a mask?
Okay.
Get the fuck out of my face.
No.
Come on. Don't touch me. I'm telling you right now. Don't touch me. Officer, don't touch me.
I'm about to spray you. I will spray you. No, you're not. No, now you're being detained.
Detained for what?
Okay.
Detained for what?
Because I have to identify you and your actions.
Identify me for what? I have one more pay. It did not work. I made a mistake and went right back to the register.
Okay,
While
no,
she's
you
raising her voice at me, I asked the girl to help me. Come on.
No.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Listen.
Officer, you're touching me.
I will spray you.
You're touching me. Stop touching me.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not. Stop touching me. I
Okay.
didn't do anything to you. Why are you touching me? Like, what is wrong with you?
Listen,
going
get
on
your
with
hands
you?
out of your pocket.
Officer, listen.
resisting.
Okay. Stop. Let me just stop. I'm gonna spray you in your eye. I'm gonna spray you directly in your eye. Just stand up. No. Stop. Hold on to wait my eye out. Why are y'all doing this? Stop. Why are y'all doing this?
Yo, he's on fault.
Hey, why are you doing this?
I'm fine. Squeeze yourself out.
Hold on a second. Wait.
Squeeze out.
Wait a second. My earpod. Chill out.
Release your hair now.
Release it. I'm gonna tase you if you don't stop. I don't have anything. I stopped already. Hey, what's wrong with you? A Walmart pay didn't work. You're bugging on me? A Walmart pay? What's wrong with you? That's crazy.
All right.
Stop my earpods.
Stop with your hair.
I'm not moving.
Okay.
You are.
Hang on.
Here.
He's too wide. Hang on.
Stop.
What's wrong with you?
Where's his wrist?
Right here.
That's crazy. I went right back to the register.
Shirt's in the way.
Thank you.
I want to follow this up by my stuff. Damn, man. Where the guy at?
Thank you.
Can you stand me up, please? Just stand me up. Damn, dude, where you go? Why you acting like that? Can you get my earpod? Get my earpod, please.
Car. Walk forward.
Dude, what the fuck is wrong with you?
Check his pockets. Hang tight.
Get off me.
Stop. Stop.
No, I'm not. What the fuck is happening?
You gotta relax. Let go of your pants. Relax.
What the
Let
fuck
go
is
of your
happening?
fucking pants.
Wait, seriously.
Let go of your pants. Let go of your pants. Let go of
I can't let go. You got my hands.
Alright. No, you don't.
You have my hands.
Let
I don't
go.
have anything.
Alright, so. Hey, come on, man.
I spit. Not spit. No, you want to spit to the ground. Yo, get the fuck off.
Stop.
Get the fuck off. Order me. Get off. Take your cuff off. Take your cuff off. What's wrong with you?
No. Get it.
What's wrong with you? Why are you fighting me? Somebody just died. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
Car.
What's wrong with you? Get in the car. Why you hating me? Hey, why you hating me? You're recording. Why you hating me? I will get in the car. No problem.
Get in.
Sit in the car. All right, then turn and get in the car.
What's wrong with you?
Then gang in the.
I can't. Y'all got me stuck here.
Okay.
Take a seat.
I said one place. One place.
Alright.
You just mixed it in my face. Over my Walmart pay not working.
Get in the car.
I'm not getting no call your lieutenant. Call your lieutenant.
Supervisor's right behind you.
You fucking asshole.
I'm not being the asshole. You want to beat my ass. Hey, Dan, can you grab my phone? Wait, I got you. Let me help you. Can I help you?
Get your fucking.
I'm trying to. You have it. Wait a second. Officer, look at me. Wait. I'm trying to.
know what happened.
I'm trying to.
I guess he tried to walk out, and he asked him for a receipt. And then he fucking went back on the day, and then he pulled out of there.
Thank you. Yeah. 101. No wallet. Oh. Nope, this is it. Well, yeah, I'm good. Thank you. Thank you. Got him with a little OC, but
Did you get your canister?
no.
Hey, I got it. Ambulance coming to wash you off.